Good morning, students. Today we are moving to our second chapter, that is fundamental of partnership accounts. In this chapter we will learn how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. Before moving to questions numerical part, I want you to watch this video.
And Puneet are partners in Red Cherry Telecom. They are running business without preparing a partnership deed. While going through their final accounts, they got suspicious about the distribution of profits. They start arguing with each other.
I am highly unsatisfied with the presentation of final accounts. Exactly, same here. I feel our accountant doesn't know how to prepare accounts. I feel he's misled by Puneet. Hey buddy, mind your words. Could anyone tell me what exactly happened? Our profit was distributed equally, ignoring the fact that I devote almost 12 hours every day in the office. You all coolly leave at 6, but every day I reach home at 11 p.m. See, Mr. Puneet, you also brought extra money in the business as I brought, but he allowed you an interest of 6%, but did not bother to give the same to me. Forget this all. Even though you both bought money during the year, still the amount of my capital is double than the combined capital of you both. Don't you think I'm eligible for interest on capital? There is no use of fighting with each other. Let's call our accountant and ask him why has he prepared accounts in this manner. Mr. Mahesh, please come in conference room now. How can I help you, sir? I want salary for the time devoted over and above other partners. I want interest on capital as you have given to Mr. Puneet. My amount of capital is highest, so I think my share of profit should be highest. Because of you, we all are fighting. Just go and prepare accounts again. Sir, if you want, I can rectify your accounts, but let me explain. Since you all did not have any partnership deed, so I prepare accounts as per provisions of the Indian Partnership Act 1932, which says, in the absence of partnership deed, profit and losses will be shared equally. Interest on capital should not be allowed, neither should it be charged on drawings. And what about additional capital, which I also brought as Mr. Puneet brought? Yes, I would like to explain you that Mr. Puneet gave loan to the business, but you brought extra money as additional capital. So he is eligible for 6% interest and you are not eligible for any interest. Any other question? No thanks. We feel you are a good accountant.
Account. Why profit and loss appropriation account is prepared? The purpose of profit and loss appropriation account is to show how net profits will be distributed among the partners. Hence, this account is not prepared by a sole trading concern. Profit and loss appropriation account is a nominal account. It is an extension of profit and loss account and is credited with net profit balance transferred from profit and loss account. In case of net loss, it will be transferred to the debit side of the account. The debit side of the account contains interest on capitals, salary or commission to partners, transfer to reserves if any. Hence, debit side contains amount payable to partners. The credit side of the account contains interest on drawings. Hence, credit side contains amount receivable from partners. Finally, the balance amount will be distributed among partners in their profit-sharing ratio. In case of loss, it will be distributed among partners in their profit-sharing ratio. Profit and loss appropriation account contains adjustment relating to partners only. This account does not contain charge against profits like interest on partner's loan and rent paid to a partner. Profit and loss appropriation account is prepared on the basis of partnership agreement.
Students, we are going to start our first question, which is preparation of partnership appropriation account without partnership deed, in which in this question there is an absence of partnership deed. First of all, we will see the performer of this question. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2018, debit side, credit side, particulars, amount. In this question, we are given with a profit and loss of 28,200. In this question, we have only see what is the loan amount. Interest on loan is 1200. Only in the absence of partnership deed, only interest on loan is to be calculated, is to be entered. Rest, no entry is to be entered. And second thing we have to take in our mind is we have to distribute our profit in 1:1 ratio, or we can say both the partners will get the equal profit. After balancing this question, we will get 27,000, which we will distribute equally in both the partners. That amount is 14,100 and 14,100. That's it. Students, we are going to attempt our second question, which is preparation of appropriation account according to partnership deed. How can we know that we have to prepare this question according to partnership deed? In the question, we have a single line that the partnership deeds provide the following information. That means we have to prepare this question according to partnership deed. This question is between two partners, Amit and Vijay. Again, performer is same, partnership appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2018, debit side, credit side. Again, profit and loss is given 2,60,000. But one thing is given in the partnership deed, that is interest on drawing. The drawing which is given, or interest on drawing which is given in the question, we have to put interest on drawing in this side. Amit draws 2,200 rupees, Vijay draws 2,500 rupees. Total is 4,700 rupees. And now come to this side. We have to take interest on capital. Amit's interest on capital is 20,000. Vijay's interest on capital is 15,000. Total is 35,000. Amit's salary is 24,000. Vijay's salary is 36,000. Total is 60,000. After doing this balancing of this account, we will get as amount which is being distributed according to the partnership ratio, which is given in this question is 3:2. That means Amit will get 3/5, Vijay will get 2/5, which means Amit will get 75,420 amount and Vijay will get 50,280 amount. I think this will clear you.